Photoshop logo design masterclass, the ultimate course for creating elite custom logos for FiveM or emergency response liberty county roleplay servers. Whether brand new to Photoshop or you have been designing before, this course is built to take you from beginning to pro step by step. Here is what we provide, what we will be providing you. You will be getting inclusive learning no matter what your skill level. You will follow a step by step path, tailored content and expert guidance. What you will learn? You will learn to design server logos, police EMS and many more logos. And you will be working on real RP logos. You will be access to our huge library of downloadable brushes, templates, files and special effects. And most important, you will build your own portfolio so you can use to get real clients. How the course works? Now we have 20 video modules which tells you step by step downloadable assignments, file, project channels and accessible resources, and how you want. If you want to contact us, then join our Discord server and uh, ping me or or open a ticket there, or you can direct DM me on my IG handle Hybridz_Dynamics or Discord server for feedback. And to share our project progress, you will have to use our Discord server. So let's get started. Now what you will be getting? You will be getting a starter kit. Now you will be getting a starter kit and a start first module. And what you will have to do, watch the first video and build clear logos. Together we can stand out for RP community. Try customs out.